Hi, this is Harikrishan from Econstruct Design and Build Private Limited. I am working as a trainee as a BIM manager, and I have 5 years, 6 months experience in our industry, 2 years experience in MEP plumbing engineer, and after that I was working as a construction engineer, then including the interiors also, and then we have done a lot of projects in the Econstruct, especially Texas Land Development Project. This is a MNC project, multinational project. I'm going to explain about it. And here this project we have done under the guidance of Shraddha ma'am and Sandeep Pingale sir. And here our mentors is there, Chetan sir and Samir Pingale. These are all my team members. We are working together to do that project. Pramendra Kumar, Harikrishnan, myself, and Anushree, Vikas, Havish Reddy, Hemant. This is the land development area, particular location details. It is located in Travis County. Is located in South Central Texas. As of 2028 Texas, the population is also we have mentioned, and this is the fifth most populous country in Texas. Its county seat is in Austin, the capital of Texas. This is the climatic condition of the Texas for land developing area. This is the property location which you have done. This is the location address details, and the property is composed of 4 assessment plazas within Travis County. And here the current owner we have mentioned. This is the topographic view of that Texas land development which you have done. The city of Splendor, future land use map. It is the this area is near to our land developing area. This is going to developing in the future. These are the amenities. These are the amenities available nearby our land developing area. San Angelo Regional Airport. This is also there, and airport. 2 airports is near to our land development area. These are the airport details which we have near to our land development area is mentioned here. These are the amenities which near to our area. It's like a restaurant details. How much the distance is also mentioned here, and the ATM. It is a very important for us for taking money. This is also mentioned here, and how many kilometers distance from our land development area, that is also mentioned here. Bus stops and pharmacies. Pharmacy is a mandatory thing, and convenience stores. That also we have mentioned here. And the distance for all these things, distance we have mentioned here. These are the cities which located near to our land developing area. That is we have mentioned here, and the distance and the time taken for reaching there. That also mentioned. Here we mentioned the place which found near to our land developing area. These are all normal visiting area like tourism spot like that. And here convention center is also there near to our area. That also we have mentioned, and the distance also we have mentioned. This is the topographical layout plan of our land area as per the climatic condition. This is the plan detail layout of our land developing area. Here it is the commercial area like parks, amusement parks, and spa and everything. These are all mentioned here. And here these are all, it's a completely residential area like apartments, villas are all mentioned here. This is the area chart of how we divide the area for the commercial purpose and residential purpose, and the revenue purpose also, like residential area, this much of square feet we have used, and commercial purpose, commercial complex, supermarkets, schools, colonies, market, agricultural land also we have mentioned, and tourism area, parking area. This is a Market Street area division. Here we have mentioned the area, how much we have separated for the like for bank, restaurant, post office, petrol pump, gym, daily product shops, and the pharmacies, like that. These are all the area division which we used for revenue, like commercial spots like adventure park, water parks, Starling, and resort, pet zoo, meditation center, spa, yoga, even swimming. This is a villa plan requirement for which we have done in the land development area. These are the plans which we have done in the land development area, the villas plans. Like we have 4 plans as per the budget. This is the plan for a resort. This is the building infrastructure inside the resort we have done. and a yoga meditation centers for infrastructure also we have mentioned here. These are all amusement park adventure parks that snaps also we have mentioned here. This is a water park area. The water playing area is there. That also we have mentioned here. This is a pet zoo. Pet zoo separately we have mentioned the commercial area like that. We have insert the picture of that also. This is a commercial space which we have separately built for the malls, like mall shops and everything. This is a school building area we have developed in our project area. This is the solar plant detail which we have installed in our land development area. We are consuming this much of current, and we are getting the profit of this much of amount in the electricity. This is the total cost analysis of our land developing area, which how much we have investment in this project, and how much we get after 10 years also we have mentioned here. And as per the square feet area after the 10 years, and what is the profit of the project, and how much we are getting the revenue in the project, that also we have mentioned here, and we have calculated total and we have mentioned here. This is the agriculture land layout, and how much we are cultivation, what are the plants we have regularly cultivation in the particular area. Like in the Texas, they are frequently they are using to cultivate the orchid. That is a very costly thing. That gives a lot of remuneration for us. We have mentioned that also, and what are the things we have cultivated in that area, that also we have mentioned, and as per the area bar chart also we have mentioned here. This is the cost analysis for the tourism area, like labor charge, how we are paying for the labor, how we are getting the income, and approximately bill, how we are charges from them as per month, and the pet zoo income per month, how much we are getting. Everything we have calculated, and per year also we have calculated how much we are getting the remuneration from that. That also we have calculated here. This is the villa 3D model which we have done in this project. Thank you.
अर्निंग चाहिए तो लर्निंग करनी पड़ेगी, ज्यादा अर्निंग चाहिए तो ज्यादा लर्निंग करनी पड़ेगी, और लर्निंग के लिए Econstruct मास्टर स्टडी ऑन जॉब प्रोग्राम्स है ना। अगर आप सिविल इंजीनियर है और अगर आपको कोर टेक्निकल प्लेसमेंट चाहिए सिविल इंडस्ट्री में, तो Econstruct के ऑन जॉब फुल टाइम ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स को ज्वाइन करके आप सिविल इंडस्ट्री में अपना पहला कदम रख सकते हैं। तो आज ही ज्वाइन कीजिए मास्टर स्टडी लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स एट Econstruct।